also showing our full range of DPF cleaning machines. We're actually demonstrating our DCS16 on the stand, and we also have other machines within our range. We can cover from the smallest car to the largest truck in the marketplace. They can be cleaned and refitted to the vehicle rather than having to replace them. So the show has been great for us so far. It's been very, very busy. We've got some excellent leads. We've also made some great sales, which is always good at a show. We've been demonstrating the DCS16 on stand, which has been getting a lot of attention. People can clearly see how it actually works and gets excellent results on the cleaning process. The best way to join our network is with our Carbon Clean Centre or Carbon Clean Centre Plus package. This is a great way to boost your business with excellent marketing support. So if you check out our new website, we'll have all of our machine packages and information available on there for you. If you contact one of our experts, they will go through all of our products and services and pick the best one for you.